This is probably the easiest way to not just make money online, but make passive income online. I set up a secret Etsy shop and I was able to make over $1,000 within my first 30 days of opening up my shop. And I followed all of the steps that I'm going to tell you about today in this video. What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alissa and this channel is all about starting and growing your digital product business and making passive income online. If you're interested in that, then definitely consider subscribing. So today in this video, we're gonna talk about an easy way to make passive income online, and that is through selling templates that you can create on Canva. Now, the reason why this is so easy is for a few reasons. Number one is you're using Canva's already pre-made templates as a starting point to build your own. So even if you're not super creative or you don't think you are, and you don't have any prior design skills, using their templates as a jumping off point can really help you create awesome templates from day one. Number two is that Canva has a ton of elements and a ton of features to make your templates really shine. And it's a really intuitive program for beginner designers and advanced designers, so you really do have all of the tools in one place. And putting in the effort to create one template can really go a long way because of various features within Canva that makes it super easy. For example, once you design a template, you can go to the style feature in Canva and you can pick out a color palette that is appealing to you, and you can click shuffle. And it will literally change the color palette you have to a different color palette. Also, you can change the fonts the same way. Boom, within seconds, you have a brand new template pack. So you just duplicated your efforts in about 2 seconds. The third reason is because templates are things that people are actually searching for to purchase. So it's not like you need an audience first. You can literally have zero audience and sell your templates as long as your offer is good. But we're gonna talk about all of this and more in the video, so let's just jump into the easiest way to make money online selling digital products. Let's just get into Canva and let's see what templates they have available already. So we're gonna use these templates as the jumping off point to create our templates. So just hit templates and start browsing and see if there's anything that catches your eye. So you can just search through these categories up top. So presentation templates, social media templates, video templates, etc. Now, one thing I really suggest is that you pick a template that can help a niche that you are familiar with or that you're a part of. So the reason why I suggest this is because it's going to make it a lot easier to make a better offer if you have experience with that niche. So if you're an avid pinner, then maybe you want to consider creating Pinterest pin templates. If you have a YouTube channel, maybe you want to create YouTube thumbnails. If you post on Instagram a lot, maybe you want to create Instagram feed posts or story posts. So like I said, it's just going to make it a lot easier to make your product be a better template than what they can find for free on Canva. So let's just say that you have decided to create Instagram templates and you are in the beauty niche. If you guys are serious about creating digital products for sale, then you might want to join my free 3-day challenge. Basically, I'm going to help you discover your niche. I'm going to help you find the profitable product that you should create, and I'm going to help you map out your offer so it's guaranteed to sell. It's completely free. It's 3 days, and we're starting June 7th. So if you're interested in that, definitely go to the link below this video and sign up for the 3 free day challenge. I hope to see you there. So if you want that organic traffic or you don't have an audience yet, we are going to use Etsy to host our digital product because Etsy already has a built-in audience. And we're gonna use Marmalade to make sure that people are actually searching for the template that you're thinking of creating. So you're gonna type in the broad keyword of your template just to make sure that people are searching for it. So it's saying that there are 494 monthly searches for this keyword term Instagram template, and there are over 1,400 people on a monthly basis engaging with listings that use this keyword. Now, this tells me that yes, people are definitely searching for Instagram templates to purchase on Etsy. Now, I know that the competition is over 50,000, but we're not going to worry about competition right now because in the next step, we're actually going to validate and make sure that your more niche product idea is actually selling successfully for other sellers. And that's a good sign that we can also be successful in this space as well. So now I'm going to type in my more niche keyword for my Instagram template. Okay, so let's take a look at this bestseller. Now, in order to see if this seller is actually making a good amount of sales, we're going to scroll down to the review section and we're going to sort this listing by newest. Now what we're going to do is just count how many reviews were left for the past 2 months, let's say. So there were 1, 2, 3, 4 reviews left in the past 2 months. Now I created this profit predictor calculator. You put in the amount of reviews, the price of the product, and then it's going to tell you on average how many sales this person could have made and the range of how much they could have made in that time period. So 4 reviews were left. The price is $14. So that tells us that on the low end, 40 sales were made in 2 months, and on the high end, 200 sales were made. And it tells us that she could have made anywhere from $560 to $2,800 on this listing over the past 2 months. So the average is $1,680. So if you take this number and you divide it by 2, on average, every month this seller makes $840 on this one template pack, which is definitely possible, definitely doable, because I sell Instagram templates on my secret Etsy shop and I've made over $1,000 the first month that I opened my shop. So this is very doable and very likely, and this is just on that one listing. So you can imagine how quickly you can actually scale your Etsy shop and your revenue. Also, if you do decide to join the free 3-day challenge, you're going to get a copy of the Profit Predictor Calculator, and we're going to go more in depth on how to pick your best digital product. So don't forget to sign up for the free challenge in the link below. Now, you might be asking yourself, how can I stand out from the competition? While you're looking at people's listings in your similar niche, you're going to also think to yourself, how can you make yours better? What can you add to your product that wouldn't take too much time or effort on your side, but from a consumer would look like a big bonus? So for example, you can resize your templates. So let's say you have Instagram posts that are 1080 by 1080. That's the average and normal size of an Instagram feed post. But can you resize your Instagram posts and make them 1080 by 1920? That would be an Instagram story template. So all you had to do was resize it and shift some of the elements around, but now you have increased the amount of value on your listing, even though it didn't take too much effort for you. Maybe you can create a product that goes well with it, and then you can bundle them to increase the value. So if you're creating YouTube channel art, for example, can you resize it and also create a YouTube thumbnail template by just repositioning some of the elements? So now you have a completely different product, but again, it didn't take that much effort because you just resized it and now you're just repositioning some of the things. You can bundle these, you can keep them separate, you can do both. Now we're going to talk about that changing color and font style hack, because this is a really awesome way to completely change your product and change the whole aesthetics of it, but at the same time, you're offering something that looks like a different product and it's going to attract different people to your listings. Okay, so you have your product idea, you know people are searching for it, you know people are selling it successfully, and you are brainstorming to think about what you can put in this product to make it even better. So your question might be, okay, how do I get the ball rolling? Because I'm gonna have 0 sales, 0 reviews on this shop. Launching. So launching is a great way to get an influx of eyeballs on your shop, and the way I would suggest doing it is to run a grand opening sale and discount your items significantly, so 30 to 50% off, just to start getting those conversions. Etsy likes listings that convert. I was able to take my digital product and make it a bestseller within 30 days of launching it because I had an influx of sales. So having a big grand opening sale will really help. And also, if you have the budget, you can also run ads. So ads will get your listings visible quicker than if you just relied on organic Etsy traffic and SEO. So run some ads if you have the budget, and then after a couple of days, just make sure that you're profiting on your ad budget. And if you're not, you can turn off some of those ads and keep the ones on that are actually profiting. So that's really quickly how I would do a launch. But in future videos, I am going to share with you my Etsy ad strategy and my grand opening sales strategy. So if you're interested in seeing that, definitely subscribe to the channel so you don't miss those videos. And don't forget, there's the free 3-day challenge that I'm gonna link down below. We're starting June 7th. You're gonna figure out your most profitable product and map out your irresistible offer so you're guaranteed to succeed on Etsy. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.